Task 3. Task 3 says that determine the total number of tweets for a given list of cities. Number 3. So here I have to determine how many total number of tweets are given in the list of cities in Australia. So for that, I have imported a library again known as MRJob. In this I have created a mapper and a reducer. These are the list of cities I have mentioned in Australia. So firstly, I've defined a mapper. It contains two arguments, self and line. I have loaded my JSON file in a variable known as tweets. So I'll be iterating my for loop over tweets. So firstly, it will find that if it contains t of place, then if the tweet contains t of place, then it will find that if it contains t of place of location, and if that also is available, then it will find that t of place of location is also available in cities. Then that display name would be stored in cities. So you'll be yielding that city name into number 1. Then I have defined a reducer where 3 arguments are self, city, and counts. So if a city is named under Canberra, and if it's more than number of times, then it will sum up. I'll be running it and showing to you. So this is my task number 3. And I'll be storing it in task 3. Yep, it's all done. Task 3 output, yes. So Adelaide, Brisbane, Canberra, Melbourne, Perth, Sydney. These are the counts of tweets. Moving over, task number 4. In task number 4, it says that using MapReduce to sort my 10K dataset of tweets based on their ID. And then I need to swap my key value to sort by their ID. So for that, I have made a function. Again, for my task number 4, I'm using Spider. I have imported my 2 libraries, MRJob and JSON. I have defined my class, tweet sorter, defined one mapper and one reducer. It has 2 arguments, loading the JSON file, iterating over tweets, and I have to sort it over my ID. So that's why I'm using my ID str. I'll be printing my ID str and text. My reducer, self, ID, and tweets. It's it will be iterating over tweets as well, and it will be printing text. So I'm running it and showing to you. Just number 4. Task 4. So it's sorted over the ID and it's text. So it's 312, 425, 617. It's sorted. 317, 71903, 137, 138, 138, 140, 141. So it's sorted. Yes. Moving over to task number 5. Okay, so you're required to assess the performance. Okay, so I have done of this as well. So the second part of task number 4 says that you are required to assess the performance of MapReduce program and compare it with the program that utilizes mode sort for sorting. So MapReduce does the function faster in a less amount of time. So I have created a function without MapReduce. So it's a merge sort function which divides the tweets into half. Then it's iterated over left half and right half using IDSTR. So I'll be running it as I'm short of time. I've run it here, and it has created a file known as sorted out. So you'll be just seeing it. Yeah, it's created right now. Yeah. So it's 71312 register here. So there is no bit change, but the change is of only time. Moving over to the task number 5. So here, task number 5 says that develop a task program to implement TF-ID algorithm for each keyword extracted from the text to the data set. So for my task number 5, this is my task number 5, I have used Dusk. So I need to implement my task program for my keyword extracted. So for that, I have my task 5. So this is my task 5. I have imported